ସେ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବରେ ପିଲା କଣ ତ ହଉନି ପିଲା ପରେ ଦେଖିବ କଙ୍କଡା ଭିଡିଓରେ ଜଣେ ଦି ଜଣ ଜଣେ ମାନେ ଆମର ସେଇଟା ଏଇଟା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଗୋଟେ ଚାଲ ସେଇଟା ହଉଛି ନା ଜଣେ ଭିଡିଓ ମାନେ ସେଇଟା ହିଁ ସେଇଟା ଖାଲି ହଉଛି କେହି ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ପରେ ଦେଖି ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ପରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ସେଇଆ ନା କୋଉ ସାରର ଅଧିକା ରହୁଛି ସମସ୍ତ ସେଇଟା ତ ଦେଖି ଚାଲୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁ କେତେଟା ଅଛି स्टार्ट करिए मोटा स्लाइड टा ये कर दो ब्लैंक कर दो तो सीधे जाकर शुरू करो अरे बुझे आज ऐसे Good morning, everybody. Today's discussion very important discussion for our SBI PO examinations. In the preliminary level, questions are very easy level question, but in the main level exam, in the mains, we get higher level question, moderate to difficult level questions. But in the preliminary, how do we, in the preliminary, how do we get maximum score? All these questions are easy level questions, no doubt. We need some practice. Always I say, entire exam depends on practice. Practice means in 20 minutes, how do we solve all the questions, means 35 questions. It is too difficult to get all the questions answered within 20 minutes. How do we make our practice? We have to select 20 to 25 questions from each chapter. There are 12 to 15 chapters. From the 15 chapters, if we select 20 to 25 questions, 15 into 15, 225 questions. If you practice again and again 225 questions, after 15 days, you will get your one idea about the questions and its explanation and its tricks. Hello? Class recipe. Then you will get your conceptual idea from all the questions. At last, you know that one trick is sufficient to solve for entire questions of each topic. Each topic has each formula, that is your conceptual formula. After practice, after understanding of many questions of each chapter, finally you get your conclusion and you reach your conclusion. One formula is one formula is sufficient to get all the questions of each chapter. Means each formula has one formula. Today's topic, we are going to discuss your mixture allegation. Why I select the first topic is your mixture allegation. In the mixture allegation, we will solve many questions of the average chapters and your ratio and proportion and profit percentage and your simple interest, compound interest, and some questions of time, speed, distance. Okay. Now, what is mixture allegation? At first, we know that concept of the mixture allegation. We have no time duration, only 9 days. In the 9 days, how do we practice our tricks to crack the exam? It is not simple things. Before examination, 2 to 3 months, I think you have some practice and you have some knowledge. Only I refresh your mind. Only I refresh your mind through our questions. We need practice. We need revise all the conceptual things or conceptual idea of our chapters. Of our chapter means in the percentage, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, time and work, time, speed, distance, partnership, ratio, proportion, mixture, allegation. Only we refresh Only we remind, only we remember the tricks for our exam. If we analyze about our SBI PO previous 5 years exam, previous year exams are 5 years 2015 to 2020. All the questions are in the preliminary, very easy level question. How do we solve that question? How we approach the question? Try to understand the question at first, and after one reading, don't read the question again and again. If you read the question again and again, then time will waste. So that after one reading, you will get your conclusion or you will get your approaching of the question. Clear? At first, we have to know how do we approach the question. Basic things. Then calculation. If your calculation is fast, then you know that how to approach the questions, then it will be very easy to find the question's answer. Clear? Today's chapter, revision chapter, mixture alligation. In the mixture alligation, I think you have some basic idea about the mixture alligation. Only we practice the questions of the mixture alligation from easy level question to just moderate level question for our prelim examinations. Come to the question. Tell me the question's answer. In what proportion must a grocer mix wheat at 2.04 rupees per kg and 2.88 rupees per kg? So to make a mixture of worth 2.52 rupees per kg. Ekdam easy level question. So I write here 2.04, 2.04 and 2.88 and 2.52. Then its difference is equal to 48. And this difference is equal to 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Then 4, 2.52, 2.52 and 2.04. This difference is equal to 2.52 and 2.04. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. And this is 4, 48. 0.48. Then 2.88 minus 2.52, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, then 8 minus 5, 36. 0.36, 12 3 is 12 4 is 3 4. Option D is our correct answer. Option D is our correct answer. Very easy level question. Then come to the next question, question number 2. A trader has 50 kg of fall, part of which he sells at 8% profit. 8% profit, I write here plus 8. And rest at 18% profit, 18%. He gains 14% on the whole. Just I remind our concept of the each chapter. Okay. Then 8% and 18%, he gets 14% on the whole, 14%. 14% minus 8% equals to 6%. The 18%, 14%, this difference 4%. The ratio is equal to 2:3. That means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 50 kg. 1 is equal to 10 kg. Then 2 is equal to 20. Then 3 is equal to 30. What is the quantity sold at 18% profit? 18% profit is 2:3. 3 indicates to 18% profit. 3 value here 30 kg. The answer it is your 30 kg. Option A is our correct answer. Then next number, question number 3. A grocer has 50 kg of rice, a part of which he sells at 8% profit and rest at 18% profit. Same question here. Question number 4. A person travelled 285 km in 6 hours. In the first part of the journey, he travels by but at the speed of 40 km per hour. In the second part of the journey, he travels by train. Travels by bus here. A person travels 285 km in 6 hours in 2 stages. In the first part of the journey, he travels by bus. He travels by bus at the speed of 40 km per an hour. In the second part of the journey, he travels by train at the speed of 55 km per an hour. How much distance did he travel by train? First part 40 km per an hour, second part 55 km per an hour. This mean term will be in 6 hours it covers 285 km. In 6 hours it covers 285 km. In 1 hour it covers 285 by 6. I write here 285 by 6. 6 40 into 6 280. 285 minus 280. Then difference is equal to 45 by 6. Then 330 minus 285. This is also 45 by 6. This ratio 1:1. This ratio 1:1. Then that means 1. It is your speed. And it is speed, another speed. It is the mean term. It is also speed. Speed. We get the time ratio. Time ratio is equal to 1:1. 2 times is equal to 6 hours. 1 times is equal to 3 hours. In 3 hours, he covered 40 km. Speed is 40 km per an hour. In 3 hours, the distance is covered by in 3 hours at the rate of 40 km per an hour. The total distance is equal to 40 into 3 is equal to 120 km. 120 km travels by he travelled by bus. Okay, he travels by bus. And this one is equal to 3 and this one also 3. 1 is equal to 3 hours. This speed is 55 km per an hour. Total distance is covered by the train at the rate of 55 km per an hour in 3 hours. 55 into 3 is equal to 165 km. Option C is our correct answer. Just I practice these questions. Then come to the next number, question number 5. There are 65 students in a class. 39 rupees are distributed among them so that each boy gets 80 pice and each girl gets 30 pice. Each boy gets 80 pice, each girl gets 30 pice. There are 65 students in a class. 39 rupees are distributed among them so that each boy gets 80 pice and each girl gets 30 pice. Find the number of boys and girls in that class. 39 rupees are distributed among 65 students. In the 65 students, 39 rupees are distributed. Each boy gets, or each student gets 3900 divided by 65. 39 rupees convert to the price, that is your 3900 divided by 65. 13 3s are 300. 13 5s are 300 by 5 is equal to 60. 80 minus 60 is equal to 20. 60 minus 30 is equal to 30. This ratio is equal to 3:2. Clear? That means 5 is equal to 65. 1 is equal to 13. 3 is equal to 39. 2 is equal to 26. Okay. Find the number of boys, 39. Find the number of girls, 26. 39 and 26. Option E is our correct answer. Clear? A person has a chemical of 50 rupees per litre. In what ratio should water be mixed in that chemical, so that after selling the mixture at 40 rupees per litre, he may get a profit of 50%. All the questions are easy to moderate level question. We need some practice. Only I revise the question for our exam, SBI PO exam, in the SBI PO prelim exam. In the preliminary exam, at first we require our time management and accuracy. How do we solve all the questions within our timing? Only you apply your tricks and shortcut method. Okay, but you have to know your tricks and shortcut method. There are no tricks and shortcut method for the entire questions of the each chapter. Only what tricks you should be apply and you will get your answer. What is your tricks? What is your one tricks for each chapter? There are 15 chapters. You have to know that 15 tricks. Through the 15 tricks, you will solve all the questions of the preliminary question. Okay. Come to the question number 6. basic conceptual idea or basic concept, it helps to solve the question. Question number 6. A person has a chemical for 50 rupees per liter. A person has a chemical of 50 rupees per liter. In what ratio should water be mixed in that chemical, so that after selling the mixture at 40 rupees per liter, he may get a profit of 50%. Water price here 0. A person has a chemical 50 rupees per liter. In what ratio should water be mixed in that chemical, so that after selling the mixture at 40 rupees per liter? Here cost price of the chemical 50 rupees. Here cost price of the water 0. And selling price is 40 rupees of the mixture. So that we find the cost price of the mixture. In 40 rupees he makes 50% profit. The cost price is equal to 100 by 150. 100 by 150 means 52 is 53 is 80 by 3 rupees. So I write mean value here 80 by 3. 50 minus 80 by 3. This is your 70 by 3. Then 80 minus 3 minus 0. This is your 80 by 3. 3 cancels, 8 is to 70. That means 8 is to 7. Option A is your correct answer. Clear? In another way you also solve this question, but it is the basic conceptual idea to solve the question. Clear? Come to the next number. Question number 7. Tea worth 126 rupees per kg and 135 rupees per kg are mixed with a third variety in the ratio 1:1:2. If the mixture is worth 153 rupees per kg, the price of the third variety per kg will be what? Okay. Different types of questions for your preliminary exams. At first, you have to understand and try to know the concept of the question. If you know the concept of the question, that at that time you are eligible to solve the various types of questions from this chapter. Tea worth 126 rupees per kg. One is 126 and 135 rupees per kg. Clear? The ratio of three varieties of tea 1:1:2. He purchased suppose 1 kg for 126 rupees. 1 kg cost price is 126 rupees. He purchased 1 kg. That means he spent 126 rupees. Then another variety he purchased 1 kg. That price is 135. Then 135 rupees. Clear? But we don't know 2 into x is equal to 2x. The total amount is equal to 6 plus 5 11 1 carry 3 to 5 1 6 1 1 2 261 plus 2x. Okay. Total price of the 4 kg. But average of per kg is 153 rupees. And total number of kg here 4. Total price of the 4 kg 153 into 4. This is your 153 into 4. 153 into 4. 15 for the 612. 4 3 are 12 to 1 carry 15 for the 60 plus 1 61 612. And this value 261. Difference 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 2x is equal to 351 rupees. Then x is equal to 175.5 rupees. Option C is our correct answer. Clear? Then come to the next number. We revise all the types of questions of mixture allegation for your preliminary SBI exam. Okay. Then question number 8. After this topic, then we will discuss another topic. A vessel contains milk and water in the ratio 3:2. A vessel contains milk and water in the ratio 3:2. The volume of the contents is increased by 50% by adding water to it. From this resultant solution, 30 litre is withdrawn and then replaced with the water. The resultant ratio of milk to water in the final solution is 3:7. Find the original volume of the solution. Find the original volume of the solution. Suppose this is your vessel. Milk and water ratio is 3:2. Milk and water ratio 3:2. In this container, this part is filled by the mixture. This part is filled by the mixture. the volume of the contents is increased by 50%. It is 3 and it is 2. Then 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. This part is 5x. This part is 5x. And it increased by 50% by adding water it. It increased by 50% by adding water it. 5x is 50%, 50 by 100. 50 by 100 means 5 5 is 25, 2.5x. Then total volume now, 5 plus 2.5, it is 2.5. Total volume, it is your 7.5x. Initial, it was 5x. After 50% adding water, the volume increases 7.5x. Initial, it was 5x and now 7.5x. 2.5x increases, it is added only water. So 2.5x, 3x is milk, 2x it is your water, then 2.5x added water, 4.5x water added, then 3x milk. 3x it is your milk and 4.5x water. 3x milk, 4.5x water. Clear? From this resultant solution, 30 liter is withdrawn. 3x 4.5x means we make the ratio 30 and 45. 3x into 10, 30. 4.5x into 10, 45. This ratio is equal to 15 2 ja, 15 3 ja. This ratio of the milk is to water. 2x and another is 3x. Okay. From this resultant mixture, initially it is 2x is milk. Now it is 2x milk, 3x is water. 30 liter mixture withdrawn. 30 divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 30 by 5 is equal to 6. 6 to the 12 minus 12. 6 is minus 18. 30 liters withdrawn and then replaced with water. Replaced with water. Water means plus 30. The resultant ratio of milk to water is equal to 3 by 7. Is equal to 3 by 7. Is equal to 3 by 7. If you solve this equation means 2x minus 12 divided by 3x plus 12 is equal to 3 by 7. 7 to the 14x minus 84 is equal to 9x plus 36. Then 5x is equal to 84 plus 36, 120. Then x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24. Now it is initial, it is 5x. 2x plus 3x, 5x. 5x is equal to 120. This is your 120. This volume is 120. From this to this 120. But initial, suppose it is a liter. Its 50% increases volume 150 by 100 is equal to 120. Then A is equal to 53 ja, 52 ja, 3 means 40, 42 ja, 80 liter. Option A is our correct answer. Option A is our correct answer. Then come to the next number. Question number 9. Two containers having acid and water mixed respectively in the ratio 3:1 and 5:3. To get a new mixture with ratio of acid to water is 2:1. The two types have to be mixed in the ratio what? Please tell me this question's answer. The students who are watching the video, please tell me the question's answer. Question number 9. If you give this question's answer, I will give you the various different various types of formula. Yes. Can you tell me this question's answer? Two containers of acid and water mixed respectively in the ratio 3:1 and 5:3. To get a new mixture with ratio of acid to water 2:1. The two types have to be mixed in the ratio what? Kindly give me this answer. Yes. Two containers of acid and water mixed respectively in the ratio 3:1. 3:1 means acid 3/4 and here acid 5/8 and it is 2/3. 3/4 minus 2/3. 3/4 minus 2/3 LCM here 12. 3 3 are 9. 4 2 are 8. 9 minus 8 it is 1/12. Then 2/3 minus 5/8. 2/3 minus 5/8. 58 3 are 24. 8 2 are 16 minus 15. So 1/24. 1/24. 12 2. 1/2 and 1. The ratio is equal to what? 2:1. Clear? ये कौन सी बात ये है? विजय लक्ष्मी साहू, ये बैच नहीं है, ये एसबीआई का फ्री क्लास है, ठीक है। एसबीआई जो प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जाम 31 जनवरी को, ये आपका रिवीजन क्लास है। जो रिवीजन क्लास ऋषिका अग्रवाल, करेक्ट आंसर, थैंक यू माँ। इट इज योर रिवीजन क्लास for the preliminary exam. We revise all the topics. All the topics means 15 topics. Today mixture alligation, then other topics also mixture alligation and also permutation combination. Today's revision, and in the next class also 3 chapters, and next class also 3 chapters. Which chapters are very important for your SBI PO exams? Then we will discuss that chapter revision for the exam. Today's class 3 chapters, mixture alligation, permutation combination, and in the next class DI, data interpretation, number series and calculation. In the next class there are all 6 chapters. Okay. Suhasin Behra, option B. Yes, good, thank you. Suhasin Behra, option D, good.
The person you have called is speaking to someone else. You can wait or call.
Come to the next number. Question number 10. এটা বন্ধ ଅଛି, এটা কোন হচ্ছে আর প্রবলেম? আর ये देश ना देन देश बंद कहीं जाए। Okay, come to the question number 10. देखो देख लो, अरे यूट्यूब चैनल में कौन बना लो डबल है यार। ठीक है, चले ठीक है। Thank you Suhasin, Rishika and Vijay Lakshmi. I think definitely this class helps to you for your SBI PO exam and also for other competitive examinations. Okay, come to the next number, question number 10. Some amount out of 7,000 was lent at 6% per annum and the remaining at 4% per annum. If the total simple interest from both the fractions in 5 years was 1,600, okay, some amount of 7,000 was lent at 6% per annum and the remaining 4% per annum. If the total simple interest from both the fractions in 5 years was 1600, then find the 6%, then find the amount which was lent for 6% per annum. Okay. Rishika, Suhasin, Vijayalakshmi, tell me this question's answer. Some amount of 7,000 was lent at 6% per annum and the remaining at 4% per annum. If the total simple interest from both the fractions in 5 years was 1600 rupees, then find the amount which was lent for 6% per annum. Then find the amount which was lent for 6% per annum. 6% per annum. Tell me. So here some amount of 7,000 was lent at 6% per annum. At first I write here 6% per annum, then 4% per annum. So principal 7,000, then simple interest 1600, then time 5 years, Okay. Then the rate of interest is equal to SI into 100, 1600 into 100, then a PT 7,000 into T means 5. 0 0 cancels, then this 0 cancels, 5 3 ja 2 ja 32 by 7, 7 6 ja 42 minus 32, it is 10 by 7, then 7 4 ja 28, 32 minus 28, 4 by 7, 7 cancels, this ratio is equal to 2:5, okay. 2:5 means 2 plus 5 7, 7 is equal to 7,000, then 1 is equal to 1,000, 6% is the interest, that amount is what? 2,000, because 1 is equal to 1,000, 2 is equal to 2,000, 5 will be 5,000. 5,000 amount is lent for 4% per annum and 2,000 amount is lent for 6% per annum. The question 6% per annum, 2,000, option D is our correct answer. Clear? Next number, question number 11. A person covers a distance 1000 kilometers in 10 hours, partly by walking at 7 km per hour and rest by running at 12 km per hour. Find the distance covered by each part. A person covers a distance of 1000 kilometers in 10 hours, partly by walking at 7 km per hour and rest by running at 12 km per hour. Find the distance covered by in each part. So here walking 7 km per hour and running 12 km per hour. It takes 10 hours to cover 1000 kilometers. It takes 10 hours to cover 1000 kilometers. In 1 hour, it is 100 kilometers. Sorry, it is 100 kilometers. 100 kilometer in 10 hours it covers 100 kilometer. In 1 hour it covers 10 kilometer per hour. It is the average speed 10 kilometer per hour. I write here 10. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. This ratio is equal to 2:3. Okay, 2:3. It is the speed 7 kilometer per hour and 12 kilometer per hour. It is speed. In 10 hours covers 100 kilometer. In 1 hour it covers 10 kilometer per hour. Average speed. We get that time ratio. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 10 hours. 1 is equal to 2 hours. 2 is equal to 4 hours. 3 is equal to 6 hours. Speed for walking 7 km per hour. It takes 4 hours to cover the distance. The distance covered by walking 7 into 4 is equal to 28 kilometer. Then the distance covered by running per hour, he covered 3 kilometer per he covered 12 kilometer per an hour. It takes how much hours? 3 hours. In 3 hours it covered 12 3 ja 30, 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, it is 6 hours. 6 hours. In 1 hour it covered 12 kilometer. In 6 hours it covered 12 6 ja 72 kilometer. 28 kilometer is covered by walking and 72 kilometer is covered by running. Total distance 100 kilometer. It takes 10 hours. Are you clear? Come to the next number. A trader has 50 kg of rice, a part of which sells at 10% profit and the rest at 5% is a loss. He gains 7% on the whole. What is the quantity sold at 10% gain and 5% loss? A trader has 50 kg of rice, a part of which he sells at 10% profit, and the rest at 5% is loss, minus 5. He gains 7% on the whole, 7. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 7 minus 5 is equal to 12. This ratio is equal to 4:1. 4:1 means 5 is equal to 50 kg. 1 is equal to 10. 4 is equal to 40. 1 is equal to 10. Then what is the quantity sold at 10% gain? 10% gain means 40 kg and 5% loss, 10 kg. Option D is our correct answer. Question number 13. From the mixture allegation chapter, the questions which is discussed here, all these questions are exam oriented question and previous 5 years questions also. These questions, if you go to the SBI PO 2013 examination, you will get this question in the preliminary examination. In a zoo there are rabbits and pigeons. These questions come from 2013 SBI PO prelim exams. In a zoo there are rabbits and pigeons. If heads are counted, there are 200, and if legs are counted, these are 580. How many pigeons are there? How many pigeons are there? In a zoo there are rabbits and pigeons. If heads are counted, there are 200. If legs are counted, there are 580. One rabbit has 4 legs and one pigeon has 2 legs. But 200 heads, there are 580 legs. One head, the number of legs is equal to 580 divided by 200. 0 0 cancels. 29 by 10. 29 by 10 means 2.9. 4 minus 2.9, it is 1.1. 2.9 minus 2 is equal to 0.9. This ratio 9x plus 11x is equal to 200. 11x, 9x, 20x. 20x is equal to 200. Then x is equal to 10. If x is equal to 10, then 9 is x is equal to 10. Then 9x is equal to 90. 11x is equal to 110. What is 110? Number of pigeons. Then what is 90? Number of rabbits. Then question, how many pigeons are there? 110. Option C is our correct answer. Clear? Come to the next number. Question number 14. A person bought 2 tables for 2,200. He sells one at 5% loss. 5% loss means minus 5. And the other at 6% is profit. 6% profit means plus 6. And thus on the whole he neither gains nor loss. That is your 0. Find the cost price of each table. Okay, neither loss nor profit, it is 0. Minus 5, then minus 5 means 5% loss. 6 plus 6 means 6% profit. So 0 minus 5, it is 5. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. This ratio is 6 is to 11. 6 is to 5, it is your 11. 11 is equal to 2200. 1 is equal to 200. Then 6 is equal to 1200. Then 5 is equal to 1000. Clear? Then 1200, it is the sales of 5% loss. 5% loss table is 1200 and 1000. Find the cost price of the each table. One cost price of the cost price of the one table 1200 and cost price of the other table 1000. Clear? Next number, question number 15. A mixture of certain quantity of milk with 16 liters of water is worth 90 paise per liter. If pure milk be worth 1.08 rupees per liter, how much milk is this in the mixture? How much milk is this in the mixture? A mixture of certain quantity of milk is 16 liters of water. Water price 0 and a milk price here 1.08. 1.08. Water quantity here. Water quantity here 16 liter. Water quantity here 16 liter. Then mixture price here 90 paise per liter. 108 minus 90 is equal to 18. 90 minus 0 is equal to 90. Thus ratio is equal to 5 is to 1. If 1 is equal to 16 liter, 1 is equal to 16 liter, then 5 is equal to 80 liter. Option C is our answer. Okay, 15 number. Then come to the next number, 16 number. There are two mixtures of honey and water. The quantity of honey in them being 25% and 75% of the mixture. If 2 gallons of the first are mixed with the 3 of the second, then what will be honey to water in the new mixture? There are two mixtures of honey and water. The quantity of honey in them being 25% and 75% of the mixture. Honey 25%, water 75%. If 2 gallons of the first are mixed with the 3 of the second, 2 and 3, what will be the ratio of honey to water? 75 minus 25, it is your 50. 2 is to 3, 5 is equal to 50, 1 is equal to 10, then 2 is equal to 20, then 3 is equal to 30. 30 plus 25, 55%. 55 by 45. 55% is what? What? Honey. 11 is to 9. 55% is water, then 45% is clear. Next number, question number 17. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio. Wait a minute. A mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 3:2. If 4 liters of water is added to the mixture, milk and water becomes in the ratio 3:5. Then what will be the quantity of milk in the mixture? That is 3:3x and it is 2x. 4 liters water 4 is equal to 3/5. That means 15x is equal to 8x plus 12. 15. A mixture contains milk and water 3x and 2x. 4 liters water is added to the mixture. Milk and water becomes 3/5. 5 3 is 15x and 3 2 is 6x plus 12. 15x, 6x and 9x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 9. 12 by 9 means 4 by 3. Then what will the quantity of milk in the mixture? Then what will be the quantity of milk in the mixture? A mixture contains milk and water. Milk and water 3:2. That means 2 by 5 into 100. 2 by 5 into 100 means 40%. Another is 100%. It is 4 liter. Okay. Then milk to water 5 by 8 into 100. 5 by 2 means 425. 4 2. 2 means it is 2.5. 62.5%. 100 minus 62 point, it is 37.5. 62.5 minus 40, it is 12.5. 25 1 ja 25, 25 5 ja 25 5 ja. This is your 3:1. If 1 is equal to 4 liter, then 3 is equal to 12 liter. 12 liter. Option E is our correct answer. Three containers capacity 20 liter, 5 liter, 9 liter contain mixture of milk and water with milk concentration 90%, 80%, 70% respectively. The contents of three vessels are emptied into a large vessel. What is the approximate ratio of milk to water in the resulting mixture? In 20 liters, the contents of three containers are emptied into a large vessel. 20 it's 90% is 18 liter milk. 3 containers capacity 25 9 liter contain mixture of milk and water with milk concentration 18 liter milk and 2 liter water. Then 5 liter it's 80%, 4 liter milk and 1 liter water. Okay. Then 9 liter 70%, 9 7 is 63, 6.3 liter milk. Then 9 3 are 2.7 liter, 2.7 liter water. If we added 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 6, 28, 28.3 divided by 213, 3 to 5, 5.7. 28.3, that means 283 divided by 57. 20, 90% 18, 5 liter 80% is 4, 9 liter 9 7 is 63, 6.3. That's 28.3. It is a 20, 10% is 2, then 5 liter approximate ratio, approximate ratio means 3 19 ja, then 3 9 ja, 27 3 4 ja, 5:1, 19 5 ja, 95, 5:1. Option C will be answer. Clear? Question number 17. 1 minute. Okay. Come to the another chapter, another topic. That is your combination. You know that combination formula NCR, n factorial divided by r factorial whole into n minus r factorial. Then permutation NPR, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. NCR divided by NCR means formula n factorial divided by r factorial n minus r factorial. NPR n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. There are 10 oranges in a basket. Find the number of ways in which 3 oranges are chosen from the basket. 10 oranges. 10 orange in the total. There are 10 oranges in a basket. Find the number of ways in which 3 oranges are chosen from the basket. 10C3. 10C3 factorial. 10C3 means 10 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 10 minus 3, 7 factorial. Okay. 10 NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial whole into n minus r factorial. If you come to the permutation NPR means n factorial divided by only n minus r factorial. But in the combination r factorial into n minus r factorial, in the permutation n minus r factorial. Clear? 10C3. So I write 10 factorial, 10 into 9 into 8 into, this is your 7 factorial into 7 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 into 7 factorial. 7 factorial cancels. 3 3 ja 9, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 12 10 ja 120. Option D is our answer. 120 option D is our answer. Next number, question number 2. Find the number of triangles formed by joining the vertex one septagon. Septagon means how many vertex here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a septagon. One side, two side, three side, four side, five side, six side and seven side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and it is 7. Septagon. How many vertex here? There are 7 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Find the number of triangles. Number of triangles means 7C3. 7C3 means 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 factorial. I can write 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. 6 cancel. 7 5 is 35. Option B is our answer. Option B is our answer. Find the number of diagonals of a septagon. If you want to make the diagonals, we require only 2 points. Through the 2 points, we make a diagonal. So that here diagonal in the septagon 7 vertex. 7C2. 7C2 means 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 5 factorial. Then directly you can write here 7 into 6 divided by 2. 2 3 are 7 3 are 21. In the 21, there are 21 side will be made by using the 7 points. So from the 7 points, then the sides are septagon 7. 21 minus 7 is equal to 14. You cannot understand, I think. Suppose this is the square. How many diagonals of a square? There are 2 diagonals of a square. Okay. But for the one diagonal, if we want to make the one diagonal, we need 2 points. We need 2 points. Okay. There are 4 points. In 4 points, 4C2. 4C2 means 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 2. 4C2 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then 2 factorial 4. 4 cancel. 3 2 is 6. There are 6 sides. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then 6. From the 6, 4 are sides of the square. 4 are sides of the square. Then diagonals is 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Same thing here. There are 21 sides. From the 21, only 7 sides are the side of the pentagon. Rest are known as diagonals. 21 minus 7 is equal to 14. Option B is our answer. Clear? Come to the next number. Question number 4. In a chessboard, there are 9 vertical lines and 9 horizontal lines. Find the number of rectangle we can be formed. 9C2 into 9C2. Because vertical lines we select the 2 points and vertical sides we select 2 points and horizontal side we select 2 points. So 9C2 into 9C2. 9C2 means 9 into 8 divided by 2. 9 4 is 36. Into 9C2 means 36. 36 into 36, it is your 1296. 1296. This is your answer. Question number 4 answer. Then next question. Question number 5. Okay. Question number 5. In a party, every person shakes hands with every other person. If there was a total of 45 handshakes in the party, find the number of persons who are present in the party. For the one handshake, we need 2 persons. Okay, we need 2 persons. Suppose in the party there are n persons. Okay, there are n persons. Number of handshakes NC2. NC2 is equal to 45. Then NC2, you know that n into n minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 45. N into n minus 1 is equal to 90. So n into n minus 1 90. There are two consecutive numbers which product is 90. There are two consecutive numbers. One is 10 and 10 minus 1 9. 10 9 is 90. So option B is our correct answer. Option B is our correct answer. Clear? Come to the next number. Question number 6. There are 5 members in a delegation. There are 5 members in a delegation which is to be sent abroad. The total number of members is 10. In how many ways can the selection be made so that a particular member is always included and excluded? There are 10 members. From the 10 members, one member is going compulsory. One member is selected. One member is selected. Then rest members are 9. We can select the 4 members from the 9 members. That is your 9C4 into 1C1. 9C4 means a 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 5 factorial. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 2 ja 8, 3 3 ja, then 2 2 cancels. 3 7 ja 21, 6 ja 126. Straight line can be formed by 32 minus 4C2 because 4 points are collinear. There are no straight line cannot be formed. So I write here 4C2 plus 1 because in the 4 points are collinear. In the case of triangle, we cannot make the triangle. So in the case of a straight line, we can make only one straight line. That is your plus 1. 13C2. But there are 4 points. In these 4 points, we can make the straight line using the last point and a first point. First point and the last point using only you can make one straight line. This is your 1. 13C2 minus 4C2 plus 1. 13C2 means 13 into 12 divided by 2. 13 6 is 78 minus 4C2. 4 into 3 divided by 2. 3 2 is 6. Then plus 1. 72 plus 1 is equal to 73. Option A is our correct answer. Clear? In this class, we are discussing first your mixture alligation, basic questions. There are 18 questions and also combination basic questions. Then after this, we will be discuss your probability chapter. In today's class, we have discussed only 3 chapters. Basic preliminary questions. Please practice these types of questions. Definitely you will get 1 or 2 questions in your exam, and using these tricks you will get all the questions. You will maintain all the questions accuracy and time management. Come to the next number, question number 9. On a New Year day, every student of a class sends a card to every other student. For only one handshake, we need only 2 persons. For only handshake, we only need 2 persons. If 2 persons, then handshake will be made. And in the case of a letter, also we require only 2 persons. Only 2 persons. This person gives the letter to this person, and this person gives the letter to this person. And for the one letter, sir, plus 1 kahinki kara jauchi? Raji Mishra. Okay, sir. Come to the previous question. Just a minute. There are 13 points. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points are collinear. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are the 13 points. 4 points are collinear. We cannot make the straight line using this point to this point. Using this point to this point, we cannot make the straight line. Clear? So, only we make a straight line using the 4 points. This is your one straight line. But we use this point by this, and we can make this straight line, this straight line. There are 13 points. How many straight lines we can be formed using the 13 points? That is your 13C2 13C2 means 13 into 12 divided by 2. 13 6 is 78. If these 4 points are not collinear, again listen to me, these 4 points are not collinear, then we can make 78 straight lines. 78 straight points are collinear, but in the form of the collinear, we cannot make the straight line among among these points. Okay, so I write minus 4C2. 4C2 means 4 factorial, 4 into 3 divided by 2. There are 6. 78 minus 6, it is your 72. But we use these points of 4 points in a straight line. Okay, we can make only one straight line. So that we added here 1. That means 13C2 minus 4C2 plus 1 for the one straight line. Are you clear? I think, Ajit. Any doubt? Rajiv, any doubt? Next number, question number 8, finish. Then come to the next number, question number 9. On a New Year day, every student of a class sends a card to every other student. The postman delivers 1190 cards. How many students are there in the class? On a New Year day, every student of a class sends a card to every other student. For 1 letter, we require only 2 persons. That means NC2. But in the case of handshake, both persons handshakes each other. So that. But in the case of letter, this person gives a letter to this person and this person gives a letter to this person. But only 1 letter, we require only 2 persons. One handshake will occur. But here, in the case of a letter, into 2. 2 into NC2 is equal to 1190. Then NC2 is equal to 1190 divided by 2. N into N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1190 by 2. 2 cancels. N into N minus 1 is equal to 1190. 1190, then 3, 2 consecutive numbers which is multiplied 90. Then 7, it is 70. 170. 1197, it is 170. Then 5, 170. 534. 7 5 is 35 and 34. Both are the 2 consecutive numbers. One is 35, another is 34. We get 1190. Don't solve this question in the quadratic equation. Okay. One is 35, another is 34. The number of persons in the class, there are 35. Clear? Come to the next number. In an examination, a minimum is to be secured in each of the 6 subjects for a class. For a pass, how many ways can a student fail? That is your 2 to the power 6 minus 1 shortcut tricks. 2 to the power 6 means 2 into 2 4 into 2 8 into 2 16 into 2 32. 32 into 2 is equal to 64. 64 minus 1 63. Answer option B is our correct answer. So how? Suppose in one subject he failed 6 is 1 and plus. Suppose he failed by 2 subjects 6 is 2 and he failed in 3 subjects, 6cc3, this is your 6cc4 and 6cc5, all the subjects 6cc6. If you solve this question, 6cc1 plus 6cc2 plus 6cc3 plus 6cc4 plus 6cc5 plus 6cc6, then it will be time taking to find the question answer. When this calculation be in this way, okay, then it's the shortest calculation 2 to the power 6 minus 1. 2 to the power 6 minus 1. Suppose another example. Suppose 5c1 plus 5c2 plus 5c3 plus 5c4 plus 5c5, that means total is equal to 2 to the power 5 minus 1. If you solve these questions, then you will get your answer. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32 minus 1. 31. Answer, it is your 31. Suppose 4c3. Its calculation 4. Answer 4. 4c, 5c4. 5c4. It is 4. 7c6. Both the consecutive numbers. The answer will be 7. Okay. Same thing. 7c1. 7. 8c1. 8. 9c1. 9. Suppose 4c2. 4c2 means 4 into 3 divided by 2. 6c2. 6 into 5. Both are the consecutive numbers. 6 and 5 divided by 2. Clear about this calculation? First calculation, 6cc2. Suppose 6 into 5 divided by 2. 8c2. 8 into 7 divided by 2. 9c2. 9 into 8 divided by 2. Clear? When nc2, n into n minus 1 by 2. Then another calculation, 6c1, 6, 8c1, 8, 9c1, 9, 10c1, 10. Clear? Then suppose another 10c, 9, 11c, 10, 11, 12c, 11, 12, 13c, 12, 13. These are the calculation tricks. Okay. Then come to the next question. 11 number. On a New Year day, every student of a class sends a card to every other student. The postman delivers 11 or 90 cards. How many students are there in the class? Same questions, just 9 number question and 11 number question. There are no difference. Same questions. Then next number, question number 12. In an examination, a minimum is to be secured in each of 6 subjects for a pass. In how many years can a student fail? Same question. There are 8 questions in a question paper. In how many ways can a student solve 1 or more questions? Suppose he solved 1 question, 8c1, any question, and 8c2 plus 8c3 plus 8c4 plus 8c5 plus 8c6 plus 8c7 plus 8c8. That means 2 to the power 8 minus 1. 2 to the power 8 means 128 minus 1. Answer is 127. A badminton tournament consists of 5 matches. In how many ways can the results be forecast? 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 means 64. 2 into 2, 2 to 4, 2, 8, 2, 16 to 32. Sorry, 32. 2 to the power 5, it is your 32. Okay. Suppose, how do we get the answer 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32? Listen. Suppose there are 3 subjects, mathematics, reasoning and English. One student appeared the exam. In how many ways the result will be declared? In how many ways the result will be declared? Suppose pass, pass, pass. One way the result will be declared. Then pass, fail, fail. Then pass, pass, fail. Okay. Then fail, fail, fail. Then pass, fail, fail. Then pass, pass, fail. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then fail, fail, pass. Then last one, pass, pass, fail. There are 8 ways to result. Declare his result. So that 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. What is 2? Either in one subject he may be pass or may be fail. There are 2. There are 3 subjects, so that power will be 3. 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. If there are 4 subjects, in how many ways the result will be declared? At that time your answer will be 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16, because there are 4 subjects. In one subject there are 2 chances, one is fail, another is pass. So I write here 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. But in this question there are 5 matches. In one match he will be win or he will be loss. That means 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. Here. Come to the next number. Then go to the other chapter, that is your probability. Okay, that is your probability. To 13C1, 13 into 13, 52 into 51 into 2. 13 4 ja, then 2 2 ja. 13 by 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 102. 13 by 102, option D is our correct answer. Option D is our correct answer. Come to the next number. One card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that the card drawn is a face card? Jack, Queen and a King only. One card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that the card drawn is a face card? Jack, Queen and a King. There are 12 cards because in the spade Jack, Queen, King is 3 and a club 3, diamond 3 and your hat 3. Total number of cards here 12. One card is drawn, that is your 12C1 divided by 52C1. 12 by 52, the 3 4 3 ja, then 13, 3 by 13. Option A is our correct answer. Question number 2 answer A. Next number, question 3. 3 unbalanced coin is tossed. That means 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Number of samples 8. What is the probability of getting at least 2 heads? At least 2 heads. HHT, then THT, then THH, then HTH, then HHH. 1 2 3 4. 4 by 8. 4 by 8 means 1 by 2. Option B is our answer. Option B, B is our answer. Next number, question number 4. From a pack of 52 cards, 3 cards are drawn. What is the probability that one is Ace, one is Queen and one is Jack? From a pack of 52 cards, 3 cards are drawn. That is the number of samples 52C3. What is the probability that one is ace, one is queen, and one is jack? One is ace means 4C1 into 4C1 into 4C1. 4 into 4 into 4 divided by 52C3. 52 into 51 into 50. 3 factor means into 6 into 6. Then 4 it is 13. 2 it is 17. Then 2 it is 25. 4 4 is 16 divided by 13 into 17 into 25. 13 7 is 91. 1 9 carry 13 1 is 13 9. 2 2 1 into 25. 25 1 is 25. 5 2 carry 25 2 is 50 plus 2 52 2 5 carry 25 2 is 50 plus 5 5 55. 5 5 2 5 5 5 2 5 16 by 5 5 2 5. Option B is our correct answer. Question number 5. A letter is taken out random from assistant. A S S I S T A N T. Assistant. And another is taken out from statistics. Statistics. The probability that they are the same color, same letter. A letter is taken out at random from assistant and another is taken out from statistics. Okay. If we choose A, then 2C1 by 9C1 because there are A 2C1 by 9C1 into 1C1 by 10C1 because here only 1A. Clear? There are 10 letters. 1C1 by into 1C1 by 10C1 is equal to 2C1 2, 1C1 1, 2 into 1, 9C1 9 and into 10. That means 2 by 90. 2 by 90 means 1 by 45. I write here 1 by 45. Then come to the second. Then A. Then come to the next. So you get here assistant I here 1C9, 1C. Sorry. 1C1, 1C1 1, 9C1 9 into here statistics 2 by 9, 2 by 10, 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means 1 by 45 plus 1 by 45. A gun, then I gun, then rest. Then S 3C1, S 3C1 means 3 and it is 9C1 3 by 9 and S 3 by 10. 3 3s are 9 9 cancels plus 1 by 10. A gun, I gun and S also calculated. Then come to the T here T 3T and here T 2T 2 by 9 into 3 by 10. 2 by 9 into 3 by 10 is equal to 6 by 90. 6 by 90 means 1 by 15 plus 1 by 15. You will take it LCM is 450. Then it is 10. It is 10. It is 45 and it is 30. Then 30, 40, 70, 80, 80, 90, 95. 95 by 450. 5 it is 19. 5 it is 90. 19 by 90. Option D is our answer. Option D is our answer. Clear? A bag contains 3 red, 5 green and 2 blue balls. Two balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that one of the ball drawn is blue? A bag contains 2 red, 3 green, 2 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. 2 balls are drawn at random. 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 C2. What is the probability that one of the ball drawn is blue? There are 2 balls, 2 blue balls. 2C2. 2C2 means 2. 7 to 7C2 means 7 into 6 divided by 2. 2 3 are 7, 3 are 21. 2 by 21. 2 by 21 means 1. Sorry. Good minute. A bag contains 2 red, 3 green and 2 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7C2. What is the probability that none of the balls drawn is blue? None of the drawn ball is blue means 5C2. 5C2 by 7C2. 5C2 means 5 into 4 divided by 2 divided by 7 into 6 divided by 2. 2 cancels. Then 2 ja 2 3 ja 10 by 21. Option 10 by 21. It is 21. 10 by 21 will be answer. Option A is our correct answer. 6 answer A. Three coins are tossed. Number of samples will be 8. Find the probability of at least 2 heads. Head, tail. Then head, tail, head. Then tail, head. Okay. Then H. There are 4 chances. 4 by 8. 4 by 8 means half. Option A. Then next number. Question number 8. In a single throw for 3 dice, find the probability of getting a total of 17 and 18. 17 and 18. 3 dice means 6 to the power 3 is equal to 216. Find the probability of getting total 17 and 18. 17 means 5, 6, 6. Then 6, 5, 6. Then 6, 6, 5. Then 18. 18 is 6, 6, 6. Then it will be 18. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 216. 4 by 216 means 1 by 54. Answer 1 by 54. Option A is our correct answer. 1 by 54. Option A is our correct answer. Come to the question number 9. The probability that a contractor will get a plumbing contract is 2 by 3rd. And the probability that he will not get an electric contract is 5 by 9. If the probability of getting at least one contract is 4 by 5, what is the probability that he will get both? So here A is equal to 2 by 5 by 9. Is equal to 4 by 5. You know that A union B is equal to A plus B plus A intersection B. So I write here 4 by 5 is equal to 2 by 3rd plus 1 minus 5 by 9. 1 minus 5 by 9 minus P A intersection B. A intersection B. So 4 by 5 plus 2 by 3. 4 by 5 plus 2 by 9. Got a minute. 4 by 5 is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 minus 5 by 9. A intersection B. Okay. A intersection B minus A intersection B. Then A intersection B is equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 plus 5 1 minus 1 minus 5 by 9 minus 4 by 5. If you solve this question, then then C will be answer 14 by 45. Next number 3 coins are tossed. Find the probability of exactly 2 heads. Question number 9. Got a minute. The probability that a contractor will get a plumbing contract 2 by 3rd. Plumbing contract 2 by 3rd. And the probability that he will not get an electric contract 5 by 9. If the probability of getting at least one contract is 4 by 5, then we can write A intersection B is equal to plumbing contract 2 by 3rd. He is not get an electric contract 5 by 9. That means he getting the electric contract 4 by 9, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9. Then 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9. Then minus 4 by 5. If the probability of getting at least one contract is 4 by 5. That means A intersection B is equal to 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 5. This LCM is equal to 9 5 ja 45. Then 15 3 ja 15 2 ja 30. 9 5 ja 5 4 ja 20. Minus 5 9 ja 9 4 ja 36. 30 plus 20 50 minus 36. 50 minus 36 it is your 30 10 24. No, 14. 14. 14 by 45. 14 by 45 option C is our correct answer. Clear? Come to the next number. Question number 10. 3 coins are tossed. 3 coins are tossed means 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Find the probability of exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads means HHH. Then HHT. Then HTH. Then THH. Okay. Exactly 2 heads. HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, HTT. Exactly 2 heads here. Exactly 2 heads. This is not accepted. 1, 2, 3. 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Option A is our correct answer. The next number, question number 11. 2 dice are thrown together. 2 dice are thrown together means 36. What is the probability that the sum of the numbers 2 facing neither 9 nor 11? Neither 9 nor 11. 9 means you know that 4 by 36. 11 means it is 6, 5 and 5, 6, 2. Okay. 2 by 36. So 4 by 36 plus 2 by 36. It is your 6 by 36. 6 by 36 means 1 by 6. What is the probability that the sum of the number on 2 face is neither 9 nor 11. Neither 9 nor 11. But 9 and 11 both are 1 by 6. No, neither nor 1 minus 1 by 6. It is your answer 5 by 6. Option B is your correct answer. Clear? Come to the next number. Question number 12. From a pack of 52 cards, 3 cards are drawn. What is the probability? 1 is ace, 1 is queen and 1 is jack. 1 is ace. There are 4 ace, 4c1. 1 is queen, 4c1. 1 is jack, 4c1. Divided by 52c3. Then I write here 4 into 4 into 4. 52c3 means 52 into 51 into 50 divided by 3 factorial into 6 into 6. Divided by 6. Then in the next step you will write here 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4 into 6 divided by 52 into 51 into 50. Then 4 13. Then 2 25. Then 3 2 3 17. 13 into 17 into 25. You know that 5 5 2 5. In the first or second questions we solve this calculation. 5 5 2 5. Then we multiplied here 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 16 4 ja 64. 64. Because 2 2 ja 4. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 ja 64. 64. 16. 4 into 4 into 4. 16. 16 by 5525. 16 by 552 because it is 2 and it is 2. 2 to 4. 2 to 4 and this 4. Okay. This 4. 2 to 4 4 is 16. 16 by 5525. Two dice are tossed. The probability that total score is a prime number. Two dice are tossed. The probability that the total score is a prime number. Total score, total number of samples is 36. Two dice, 36. The probability that the total score is a prime number. The score is a prime number means 1 1, 1 2, 1 1, 1 2, 1 4, 1 6, 1 4, 1 6, then 2 1, 2 3, then 2 5, 3 2, 3 4, 4 1, then 4 3, then 4 3, 5 2, 5 6, then 6 1, 6 5, 6 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. 15 by 36. That means 5 by 12. Option B is our answer. Option B is our answer. So here 1 1 means what? 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, prime number. 1 2, 1 plus 2, both are 3, prime number. 1 plus 4, 4, prime number. The sum of the two sides of the dice. 1 plus 6 7, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 3 5. Okay, 2 5 7. These are the 5 by 12. 13 answer B. Correct answer. Come to the next number. Question number 14. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. The probability of getting a queen of club or a king of heart. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. There are 52 cards. The probability of getting a queen of a club or a king of heart. 1 into 1. 1 by 52. 1 by 52. 1 by 52 plus 1 by 52. That means 2 by 52. 2 by 52 means 1 by 26. Option C is our correct answer. Question number 15. 3 coins are tossed. Find the probability of at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads. H, H, H. Then H, H, T. Then H, T, H. Then T, H, H. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. At least the probability, find the probability at least 2 heads. H, 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 T, H, T, H, H. 4. These are the 4. Okay. 4 by 8. 4 by 8 means half. Very easy question. Question number 16. In a single throw of a dice, find the probability of getting total 17 and 18. 17 and 18. In a single throw of a dice. Single throw of a dice. Single throw of 3 dice. 216. 17 means 5 6 6. 5 6 6. Then 6 5 6. Then 6 6 5. 18 means 6 6 6. 4 by 216. 4 by 216 means 1 by 54. Option A is our answer. Then come to the next number. Repeat question. A problem is given to 3 persons PQR whose respective chances of solving 2 by 7. Not solving it is 5 by 7. 4 by 7 means 3 by 7. Not solving. Clear. Then the probability of problem. What is the probability that the problem is solved? 1 minus 5 by 7. 5 by 7 into 3 by 7 into 5 by 9. 1 minus 5 3 ja 15, 15 5 ja 75. Divided by 7 7 ja 49 into 9. 9 9 ja 81, 180 carry. 9 4 ja 36, 8 4. 441. 441 minus 75. 441 minus 75. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. 366 divided by 441. 3 it is 1 2 2. Then 3 is equal to 147. 122 by 147. Option A is our answer. The next number, 19 number. Find the probability of getting 2 heads when 5 coins are tossed. When 5 coins are tossed. 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. Then 2 coins 5c2, 5c2 means 10. 5 into 4 divided by 2, it is 10. That means 10 by 32. 10 by 32 means 5 by 16. 5 by 16. Clear? Then come to the next number, question number 20. Find the probability that a leap year has 52 Sundays. A leap year has 52 Sundays. 1 year 365 days. In the leap year, it is your 366 days. How many weeks? 362 divided by 7. 7 5 is 35. Monday, Tuesday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Thursday, Friday, then Friday, Saturday, Sunday,